You could be an aspiring student looking to start your career in an animation field, or a student desperate to earn skill and make it on your own in VFX world, or a creator who is just passionate about creating great stuff, or a housewife determined to make your mark in coding. You could be anyone. All you need is AnimaCrew Education to kickstart your career and only invest your time on your demand, which helps you boost your career. You just need to search u.animacrew.com and go to Get Started tab, scroll down and select any courses as you wish. Begin your career story at AnimaCrew Education. AnimaCrew Education, offering you youth scholarships, up to 30% off. Over 10K student trust for online and offline coaching. So what are you waiting for? Enroll today and give your future to new wings of animation.
आगाज सुनहरे भविष्य की, जॉब रेडी बने आज ही ज्वाइन करें AnimaCrew Education Institute of Animation in VFX.